Ayun mga pare, unbox natin ang bagong toys ni Kuy. Ano bang pangalan ng toy mo na bago?
Oh, may lalagay tayo dito. Oh, dito.
Oh. Maglalagay dyan.
Yes.
Tapos ano mangyari?
May monster lalabas.
Lalabas yung monster. Okay. So ito yung bagong toy ni Kuy. Oh. Nabili namin to sa Walmart. So ano to laruan to ni Mr. Beast. Yan kung makita nyo dyan nakalagay. Mr. Beast Lab Mutators. Yun. Ito si Mr. Beast. So open muna natin. Cut muna natin to. So ito mga pare. Si scissor na natin. Kasi sabi dyan scissor daw. Diba? Wait.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Ano ulit yung na-unbox si Daddy?
Saan pa si scissor, kuya?
Okay. Ito.
Saan?
Diyan.
Dito pala. Bakit yan? Right?
Wow. Amazing. That thing can. It's like a scissor. Amazing. Here it is.
There you go.
Yep.
So, we already removed all of the cable tie.
Oh, it's like a drink.
Yeah. And then,
Let's
what's next? We need to remove this. Remove natin tong tong paper, no?
Pero pa natin kasi ayaw.
Ito, may tape siya dito. See this one? Yeah, may tape.
Oh. Sinipan ba nila?
Yeah.
Oh, this one can open.
Yun.
Ah.
Tapos,
Oh, Daddy, okay lang yan.
dito, tape. Yun. Uy, wait lang. Ayun, nalaglag na. Get the instructions. There you go. May
Okay.
see. So, these are the instructions. Ito, instructions para sa lab mutator ni Mr. Beast. And then, Messi. Look, guys. You see this? That's the monster. We're gonna put something here and we're gonna make this monster a real one.
Yes.
What? Are you ready for that? Are you ready
Yes.
for that?
It will be a toy.
Yeah. You will have a monster toy. See?
This one's just a picture. Later, when it's a real one, this one will open.
Yeah. Oh, look. You see this? So, ang sabi sa instruction, top button. This is the top button. Wait lang. This is the mutation chamber. Then internal prime chamber. Then the bio specimen will go here, and then this is the test tube. Wow! It contains the mutation liquid. You see, this is the mutation liquid. There's a water inside. Then this is the handle, and then this is the chamber seal. And that's it.
Ito ba yung handle?
Sabi dyan, Kuys, unlock chamber. Unlock
Oh.
chamber daw. Oh, tanggalin daw natin yung mga cable ties na nagawa na natin. Then, sabi rito, place mutation chamber on flat level surface and or a tray. Use paper towel or a cloth to catch any spills. We need something to catch the dirt. Do we have some paper plates?
Oh, I got.
What are you shaking, sir? Shaking the water?
Oh.
Oh, okay. Let's remove. Let's start the mutation.
Isa kasi yung
Let's start the mutation, sir.
Nag-design
Sabi dito, remove the test tube. This is the test tube. We gotta remove it. Okay?
So,
Hanggang na remove it na.
baka na mahulog.
Whoa! This is where the power. Look. See that water?
It's like an experiment.
Yeah. Oh, baka tumapon, please. Oh, you see there's the water inside this. Okay. Then remove cup and peel open test tube, okay? Pour it in the mutation fluid. Dito, lalagyan dito.
Oh, yep.
And then push top button to unlock the handle. Oh, pupush mo to para ma-unlock yan. Tapos rotate the handle 180 degrees to uncover the fingerprint scanner. What? You will put your finger to scan and then push down hard on the fingerprint scanner. And yun na. So, lalabas na yung ano. Lalabas na yung beast natin. So, okay. Step number 2. Mommy, you have to open it.
What's my teeth for?
Yo.
Ooh, what's
Ooh,
this?
exciting.
And then one more.
One more.
Yeah,
Bigyan sa akin.
dalawang takip, Daddy.
Yep.
Okay. What is that?
Uy! Wow! There's some bubbles. There's some... Nak! Ano, layuan ng konti. Baka matapong ka. Baka maging monster ka.
Oh no.
No, I don't.
That's the liquid that makes the monster.
Yeah. See this? You see
I
this?
don't want to turn to monster.
Kaya nga.
Kaya, wag matapon sa akin.
Yes. Then, we need to pour it. Mami.
Yep.
Yan.
Daddy, pour it.
Yeah.
Maybe you should be a monster. You will be a monster, Daddy.
Dali.
You
Ito ka.
Daddy, you will be a real monster.
Oh,
Oh.
look. Wow! Wow! Look, we are like scientists. We're making a monster now. There you go. Wow! Whoa.
More. No more.
Okay, there you go. Let's cover it.
Yep. Just cover it. Wow! It's colored black.
Yeah.
Daddy, what ano fluid pala? Colored black ba yung tubig?
Yeah. That's the liquid.
Wow!
That's the liquid that will be used for the creation of.
Kasi-
Oh, wait. Let me read it first. Okay, I already pour the imitation fluid. Push top button to unlock the handle. Oh, we need to push this one. Push mo yan. Push. Sige, push it.
Hard?
Yeah? Yes. Okay. Okay, you already push it hard. And then, okay, you need to twist this 180 degree. Oh, twist mo to.
Ano?
I'm gonna hold it. Oh, wait, dito. You hold it here. Okay, I'm gonna twist it. Yan, twist mo to. Yan.
Ito?
Yeah. Twist it. Okay, let's twist this together. Or, you watch here.
Oh, I'll watch. I'll see. What monster? What it will be a monster.
Wait lang.
It will be. Daddy, tapos, mamaya ipakita atin kay Baby, pati Ate Nelly.
Okay.
Pati Ate Carol, pati Skalero ko. Pati Ate Christy.
Okay. Maganda pala sa kabila.
Pero haba naman.
Twist na. Look.
Is it a monster?
Oops. Ito pala yun. Okay? So, twist lang natin siya para lumabas ang fingerprint scanner. And then, once the fingerprint scanner,
Kataw?
push down hard on the fingerprint scanner. Okay?
Ah.
How many times? 3. Okay. Kuy, push down hard mo to 3 times. 1,
Dami na.
3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, what happened? Yun! Uy! 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 What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening?
Wow! That,
Nakita mo yan? You see
yeah!
what happened?
Yeah! Monster!
Hindi pa lang ilaw eh. And then, you see that?
Yep.
And then, how can we get that?
How?
The mutation reaction fluid transform the biospecimen into. Di ba nakita mo na-transform siya? You see that?
How? It's not impossible.
How can we get the monster now?
How did you do that?
Look. See that guy? He's the monster. Ang galing eh, no?
Amazing! What's next?
What's next?
What's next?
Ayan, ito na. Remove, unscrew chamber seal. Okay. Remove, unscrew the
Ah.
chamber seal. Okay, okay. This one. Yun. Yun.
What is here? It will be a monster.
Oh.
And what is this?
Wait lang. Okay, and then
Uy, anak, baka naman.
lift off lid. Remove the internal prime chamber.
And then tapos get the monster.
Okay.
Ay, mayroon na
Tapos,
tubig oh.
kaya nga. Ay, wait lang. Bubanasan ko ta.
Baka magiging akong monster pag hindi mo ako pinunasan. Mag-monster naman ako.
Ito na.
Nabasaan ako.
Mami.
What? A monster?
Wow! Wait.
Saba siya?
Hindi. Hindi.
Iluloko ka lang ata. Saan napunta yung tubig?
Nandun sa kabila. Eh, ano lang yun, parang show lang siya. Na,
Ayan.
ano niloloko no? Ito na, sabi ay
What?
we need to cut the tie. Remove the internal prime chamber, cut ties, and then you can free the monster.
Grand entrance lang yun.
Experience nga lang, rinse chamber. So,
Yay! A monster pop out! Daddy, pwede iba yung monster mo. Daddy, pwede iba.
okay. Now, let's free.
Daddy, nasan na
Let's
ba?
free
Daddy, nasan na ba?
our monster. Oh.
Nasan na ba yung tubig?
Ah, wala na siya.
Saan napunta? Saan napunta, Daddy? Saan napunta
Dito, ininom ng monster natin.
What ininom?
Yun yung ginamit ng monster natin para mabuo siya.
What? The other side? No way! A new toy! It's tied.
Wait lang, no. Hey, look at this one. Uy, huwag ka na yan. Ako si Daddy na bala dyan. Ito, tala mo to. This is your fighter monster. Look. He can move his hands. Sabi niya, oh.
Mama, move ba ang feet niya?
Oh, look at this. The articulations. Rawr!
Guys!
That's your new monster. Show it to mommy. Show it to mommy. Show it to mommy, guys. Is that good?
Yep.